Hello, my name is Chuck Williams, Senior Affiliate Manager with Tapestry, and it's my privilege to explain to you our compensation plan today. I am the developer of this compensation plan, and I think you're going to find it very attractive for both our free customers and affiliates. First of all, we have a couple different ways of making money. We have our app, which as you can see has multiple ways of making money: set to earn, tap to earn, refer to earn, answer to earn, play to earn. All this is available through our app. You can literally earn, play, explore, and make money as a free customer. On the rewards side, it's our own cashback program. It's a little different than your traditional cashback programs because we actually pay you for using our cashback program with a data pool bonus once a quarter. All this is available to you here with Tapestry. Now let's get to it in a little more detail here. This is for the free app that pays. You can earn in multiple ways. You've got the set to earn, that it's getting paid on the go. As you go to places of interest, you're getting paid by Tapestry for allowing us access to your anonymous data. You simply set your location permissions to allow always, and the rest is up to us. Tap to earn, you can open ads and earn. All you have to do there is turn on your notifications from Tapestry. When an ad shows up, you click on it and you get paid. It's our tap to earn. Our answer to earn, get paid for doing surveys. Refer to earn. As a free customer, there's a refer a friend feature in the app. You can refer friends, and for each friend that installs the app, allows permission to allow always on location, they keep it active for a month, you get paid a one-time referral bonus, varying by the geo of your customer. It's $1 in Geo1, it's 50 cents in Geo2, and a nickel in Geo3. It's a one-time referral bonus as a free customer. And then you get your new play to earn. That's where you literally get paid to play the games you love. Unlimited earnings potential overall in our games. So now I want to talk to you about our Tapestry affiliate program. Now the Tapestry affiliate program is a step up from a free customer. We love our customers, but the affiliate program is more for people that want to make a little more money and they want to help us distribute the apps and even potentially add new affiliates to our team. So as an affiliate, you can have all the free perks as a free customer, but you also get a virtual back office, you get replicated links, you get marketing materials, affiliate support, recurring referral income, not just one time like a customer. There's a potential for a 50% team builder bonus, and we actually have the opportunity for you to earn equity in our company if you help us build our business. Now, the affiliate bonuses. Now remember, this is in addition to being a free user. As an affiliate, you can be a free user, but you don't have to be, except for the Tapestry rewards. If you want to get paid on Tapestry reward referrals, you do have to be signed up for Tapestry rewards in your affiliate back office. But as far as the app goes, obviously, if you're in a country where the app's available, you're going to want to have it. It's just extra money you're making. But you can be an affiliate of Tapestry anywhere in the world where we can legally do business. And you can have customers and affiliates in countries where the app is live, and you can make money with us today. So as an affiliate, in addition to earning as a free customer does, you also have the ability on the refer to earn, as I mentioned just a few minutes ago, to earn a monthly bonus on every active app, not just on the ones you personally refer like a customer. They get paid one time for their personal referrals of customers. As an affiliate, you get paid every month on all your personal referrals and all of their personal referrals, which we call 2 tiers, every month that those apps are active. Very, very big difference. And we think it'll be well worth you becoming an affiliate. What's it take to become an affiliate? Well, while we're on that subject, I'm glad you asked. $19.95 a year is all it costs. And that helps cover some of our administration fees. $19.95, not per month, but per year in Geos 1 and Geos 2. In Geo 3, our affiliates are only $4.95 per year. That's a small cost. The benefits are enormous. Now, the second one here is you get a 15% bonus on referrals from the different ways we now help customers make money. So if you have customers on your first and second tier, they're taking advantage of the surveys. We call it answer to earn, or the games. We call it play to earn, or Tapestry rewards. You can earn a commission, 15% referral. And again, this is not just on your first tier, the people you personally invited, but it's also on your second tier. Now, this is my favorite part of the compensation plan. It's called our team builder bonus, also known as our super affiliate bonus. And as you notice on the top line there, an active affiliate that personally referred 10 plus active affiliates. That's what it takes to be a super affiliate. Now, you can have way more than 10, but you have to have at least 10 personally enrolled affiliates that are active to be qualified as a super affiliate. Now, these affiliates can be anywhere in the world. They can be GO2, 3, 1, any combination. Just as long as you have 10 active personal enrolled affiliates, you are a super affiliate. Now, the reason we put this bonus in place is because we wanted to incentivize our affiliates to help us invite other affiliates, because we want to dominate the world when it comes to this space. In order to do that, we need a lot of affiliates. You don't get paid for recruiting other affiliates, but with this rank advancement, we reward you handsomely. There are two big benefits to being a super affiliate. Number one, you're going to be eligible for our gifted referral program. So when people are going to the App Store, going to the Play Store, and no customer invited them, no affiliate invited them, they just found our app on the Play Store or the App Store, they become what we affectionately call orphans. The majority of those orphans are rotated, distributed out to all of our active super affiliates on a monthly basis. What company out there gives you customers that they acquired that you now get paid on? That's very, very exciting. As long as those orphans have an active app, month after month after month, you're earning that referral bonus of $1 or 50 cents or nickel, depending on what geo your customer comes in under. Now, the best part of our compensation plan, in my opinion, is the 50% matching bonus. This is calculated on the refer to earn bonuses of every affiliate in your first and second tier. So you've got affiliates that you personally enrolled. You got to have at least 10 to be a super affiliate. You could have any number. There's no maximum. We literally today have affiliates that have over 100 personally enrolled affiliates. So you're going to get this 50% match on all your personally enrolled and all the affiliates on your second tier also. So if you have people in your first tier that you personally enrolled and they enrolled other affiliates, those are on your second tier, you're getting paid this 50% match on all of them. And again, as those people, those affiliates on your first and second tier are in the dollar, the 50 cents, the nickel for active apps, you get a 50% match on that on each and every affiliate in your first and second tier. Let that sink in. This is a phenomenal bonus that can pay you very nicely. Now, I've mentioned the different geos a couple of times. This slide helps you understand that a little bit better. On the left-hand side, you have the countries that make up Geo 1. That's where the data is currently worth the most. It's got the most opportunities for Tapestry, and we're able to pay a little more to both our users and our affiliates. Then you've got Geo 2, which is on the right-hand side of your slide. Those countries listed over there are in Geo 2. They're worth a lot to Tapestry, but not as much as Geo 1. And so the pay is a little different both for the user and for the affiliate. And then you've got the countries that are not listed that we can legally do business in. We call that the rest of the world. And those have different pay structures also. So in recap, an affiliate, a customer in Geo 1 can earn up to $25 for their data, their anonymous location data. That $25 does not include the surveys, the rewards, the games. All that stuff is in addition to that cap. And that is a cap. There will be people that make less than that. The average is somewhere $7 to $8 in Geo 1 countries. Then you've got your Geo 2 countries that can earn up to $15 on their data, anonymous location data. However, again, that does not cap all the other ways that a customer can make money. And then in the rest of the world, that cap is 50 cents per month on the data, anonymous data in those Geo 3 countries. Now, one point of interest here is you don't have to be in a particular geo to earn that money. You could be in a Geo 3 country, and as long as your customers are in Geo 1 or 2, you're earning the money that's paid out in the geo where your customer resides. Now, on the referral bonuses, and these are the bonuses that pay the 50% matching bonus as a super affiliate. It's $1 referral bonus every month that your customer is active in Geo 1. It's 50 cents for every month your customer is active in Geo 2. And it's a nickel for every month that your customer is active in Geo 3. That's not just on tier 1, but it's on tier 1 and tier 2. Very, very lucrative as you share the app with others. I mentioned earlier the small cost to be an affiliate. As you can see, the benefits of being an affiliate are so big. We hope you see the benefit of being an affiliate. It's $19.95 a year. I want to emphasize that's annual, not monthly, in both Geo 1 and Geo 2. And it's $4.95 in Geo 3. So there are no guarantees. There are no gotchas either. You will get paid for what you produce. Whether you decide to invite other affiliates that will leverage your business, that's up to you. Whether you just want to give out apps, that's up to you. But the work you do will be rewarded through our compensation plan. There are no guarantees, but there are also no maximums. You can earn as much as you want with Tapestry, and that's exciting. Real quickly, we just added the gaming. We started out at the very beginning with just the anonymous location data. We added the surveys. We added the tap to earn, which is those push notification ads. We've added and added and added to our compensation plan. We just added more to our Android now, iOS coming soon, but it's our games. You can literally in the app, click on gaming at the bottom of your menu down in the app, and you can start playing different games. If you're probably already playing, if you like to play games. If you're like me and you don't like to play games, I've started playing a couple of these games because I'm getting paid for it now. It's just kind of fun to have some time during your free time to play a game or two. Here are our top 9 earners so far. This is a little over 1 week in beta. Let me repeat that. A little over 1 week in beta. I can't give you the exact amount of time these people play games to earn this kind of money. I think it's a lot because you look down the bottom of the slide. I personally have earned $8.34 in that little over a week. And I know we've put in a lot of time playing games in the beta stage. The key point here, though, is look at those referral bonuses. At 15% of what the people earn playing the game, when you're the affiliate, you're getting paid at 15% referral bonus on the gaming of your customers in your tiers 1 and tier 2. So as you can see, we've made it very, very lucrative for you to share Tapestry with others. Someone has shared this with you. I want to encourage you to get back with that person and let them know your level of interest. Number 1, are you interested in just being a customer? We love our customers. Or are you interested in being an affiliate? We love our affiliates. One last thing I do want to mention here, and I'm going to go back to this screen for that, is we have what's called a global equity pool. And a global equity pool is basically to reward the top leaders that help us really kick off this company. And here's how it works. A global is defined as someone who has personally enrolled 10 active super affiliates. So a super affiliate, as I mentioned earlier, is someone who personally enrolls 10 affiliates. Well, a global is someone who's personally enrolled 10 active super affiliates. Now, the criteria here is you have to be an active global for 6 out of the first 12 months that you become a global, and you have to have at least 1,000 active customers, not you personally, but you and the affiliates that make up your first and second tier, active customers in your first and second tier. You need a combination of 1,000 of them within your first year of being a global. You meet those criteria right there, and you will earn equity in Tapestry if you're one of the first 50 to accomplish it. Now, right now, we have a few people, one in particular who's already qualified for that. There's several others that are close, but there are plenty of opportunities. If you're interested in having some equity in Tapestry, it's not for sale. It's a privately held company, but you can earn equity in Tapestry by being one of the first 50 qualified global affiliates. Now, with that being said, I want to encourage you, get back with the person who invited you, let them know you're ready to get started, and come join the Tapestry team. God bless you, and thank you.